Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there. We're here today with Gary, as always. Thank you so much for joining us again.
Thank you. Good to be here.
Well, it's almost that time of year, Gary. We're coming up on Christmas. A lot of kiddos get bikes and such as that for gifts.
Right.
Along with that should come a helmet. Tell us a little bit what the law requires in that regard.
The law is pretty clear, both in Georgia and Alabama. If you're under 16 and you're on the roads or you're on a bike path even, you need a helmet. You're supposed to wear a helmet. A lot of kids don't, but you know, we want to see kids in helmets. And so the statistics are fairly alarming. I mean, we have 1,200 children go to the emergency room a day in the United States because of injuries from wheeled toys.
Right.
Bikes, scooters, skateboards, that kind of thing. That's a lot. And while the majority of them are, of course, broken arms or strains and sprains to the hands and wrists and such, a large part of them, 11 to 15% apparently, are head injuries.
Wow.
So if you're wearing a helmet, you got a chance, you know.
Yeah.
And so that's what we're here about, right?
Yeah.
So 8 years we've been doing this with Safe Kids, and we'll be having the annual helmet fitting and helmet giveaway at the main library here in Columbus this Friday.
Oh, very good, very good. Yeah. So and why are you involved in that? I know it's near and dear to your heart, and just something special that you do every year.
Well, I've enjoyed being a part of it with Safe Kids because it's such a great organization. I mean, they really do reach out and educate and help. The event is not just to give away helmets. The event is to teach.
Yeah.
We want parents to understand why it's important. We want parents to understand how to fit a helmet.
Right.
You don't have to come there and get a helmet. We want you to just come. It's for everybody.
Right.
It's a lot of fun. It kind of starts off the Christmas holiday for me, but we want parents there to learn why they should have it, because that's the majority of the reason why kids don't wear helmets is the parent doesn't think it's important. Oh, it's safe here. It's not going to be a problem. Well, unfortunately, you know, it's too late once it is. So come on out.
Yeah.
It's 4 to 6. At the main library in Columbus. It's open to everybody. We love to have you. Free helmets for kids 14 and under while they last. I think we got plenty. We want to get 1,000 kids with helmets this year.
Oh, fantastic. And again, that's to help with the safety issue. As you mentioned, it starts in the home. It's so very, very important.
Well,
and to make it cool too. Because you can do cool things with those helmets too, right?
I'm always impressed. I've said this before. When you get down to the Riverwalk and see all the families with helmets on, and that's what we need. Just
that's what we want to do.
Let's teach safety from early times.
Great. Thank you so much for joining us today,
Thanks.
Gary. We look forward to seeing you on the very next Legal Break.